Sir, again, good evening, sir. Coming to this, updated Frank Bird's updated domino theory, he has taken all steps, sir. Only the Frank, these two are updated. How he is updated, I will show you, sir. One is the injury is same as it is he has put, but whereas it is loss, injury, in addition, damage he has updated. And accident is same, contact. Symptom in central factor, unsafe act and unsafe condition. Basic causes and lack of control. See, earlier in these two places, we are given to one is environmental factors, another is fault of persons. Whereas these two are replaced by Frank Bird's management lack of control under the management. This is management responsibility. Origins may be basic causes, and unsafe acts and unsafe conditions maybe leads to the injury or damage added. While studying how you are going to see this model, sir, the injury and damage happened or accident happened. What is the unsafe act? Cause is there? Is there any cause of unsafe act? Cause of unsafe condition? Or if not these two, then go to the basic causes. The basic causes are not find anything to lead to the injury and damage happened, then go for the controls are inadequate or not. While studying this investigation, we have to come for backward. While what is called forwarding, knowing the Frankfurt's or updated modified domino theory means, you have to study like this. Got my point? Where injury and damage is happened, very good. Accident is also happened, very sad. But during that investigation, we have to see that first symptom is, as per the Frank Bird's, unsafe practice is any there, or unsafe condition is any there, which causes the injury and damage or are causes. If not the any cause found due to unsafe act or unsafe condition, then go to the origins. That means initially basic cause is there or not. The basic causes we have to study each and every thing as per the SOP, proceedings and all. And all the things we have to see the things are a place or not, you have to see the basic cause. If you could not found the basic causes due to injuries and damage happened, then go for controls. What are the controls are there, whether in place or not, you have to see. These two are updated by the Frank Bird's taking base of domino theory. Added one damage to the, not to the human, but damage to the property loss, damage to the equipment. Proactive domino sequence is also one of the things taken by the Frank Bird only. Lack of control is okay. Basic causes, same, whatever discussed. And another thing is immediate causes. Immediate cause is there, or incident is happened, or loss is happened. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 is simple what is called some proactive domino sequence. This domino sequence is proactively, once the loss is happened due to incident, immediately we go for immediate causes. The immediate causes you could not find, then go for basic causes. And basic causes could not find, go for what is called lack of controls. Here the difference between this and this, where the basic causes is divided into immediate causes and basic causes. In between incident and loss, in between he has arranged immediate causes also we have to find it before going to the basic causes. Immediately any loss is that because of this the employee can be identified very easily. This is because of this was happened. So there is no need of studying the basic causes if the immediate causes are finding. This is one of the proactive domino sequences, breaking the accident chain and all. Another thing, laws of causation model. the accident chain, that is a chain, the basic causes are, one of the scientists has given this domino only loss causation model, the accident chain. Three basic causes he has given. One is poor management safety policy and decision. During drawing document, safety policy is not adequate, or the management is taking decisions not up to the mark, or maybe the poor toward the safety properly. Second one is personal factors. Personal factors means employees what is called factors and all. And third one is environmental factors. These are the basic causes, three basic causes to reason for accident or incident or any damage to be happened. One is these three causes based on unsafe act, based on unsafe condition. These two are indirect causes, indirect cases, indirect causes. Because due to this, the poor management will not relieve, but personal factor will affect. Due to this, environmental factors will affect. Unsafe conditions, the poor management taken decision. See, these unsafe act relevant to personal and environmental factor causes, whereas the unsafe condition because of poor management taking decisions for taking the care of the observations in safety committees, observation is there, but they have not done the in right time. These are the one of the loss causation model to happened incident or accident. Another thing, this unsafe act may be unplanned release of energy or hazardous material, may be the cause. Or unsafe condition may be the cause of unplanned release of energy or hazardous material. Therefore, see, in the process, you are not expecting some energies to be released. Somehow due to unsafe act, somehow due to unsafe condition, some energy, unplanned energy in the form of steam, in the form of various process defects will be happened, which affects the or which causes the accident or incident or personal injury or property damage. These are the direct causes. These two are indirect causes, because this unsafe condition depending upon top management, whereas unsafe act is depends upon personal factors, environmental factors. This is one of the three basic causes and all. This is called loss causation model, accident chain. This is another model is there. Accidents to be always what is called managed in the IND model is the triangle model. Everybody knows it. This is the mind. Normally, near misses should be more captured. Then major injury will be one. If not, the near misses are yes, sir. Tell me,
what
sir.
are the direct causes in the previous slide?
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Direct causes.
This
example.
is direct causes. Direct causes. Yes, sir.
No. There is arrow, no direct causes. What are those direct causes? Examples.
This was
like
this was called, sir.
Unsafe condition. They are due to basic causes.
No, sir. Actually,
unsafe condition are due to basic causes.
Yes, sir.
And due to which this unplanned release is happened.
Exactly, sir.
And what are the direct
tell me, sir. Tell me, please. That's what I'm saying, sir. Due to what is called the direct causes here by Crusher is say direct causes, maybe the unplanned or release of energy.
But unplanned and release energy is the effect of unsafe act and unsafe condition.
No, sir. No, that's what I'm saying, sir. Unsafe act due to the what is unsafe, unplanned means during that process you could not what is called sensitized. This was happened. Unnecessary due to that somehow in the processors or due to the hazardous material concentration and all, the unplanned release of energy will be there in the reactor or any dryer or in the processor. Unplanned,
yes,
they are not planned also.
Yeah, but that the cause is either unsafe act or unsafe condition.
That's what I'm saying, sir.
And then what is direct cause?
That's what I'm saying, sir. The unsafe act, unsafe conditions are indirect causes, very good. Some of the acts, unsafe conditions are not identified before starting uh, the the procedure or before starting the process activities by the employees. Suddenly it was happened, sir. Due to
It
sudden
may be
build-up of pressure inside.
due to failure of metallurgy, due to failure of any safety equipment like that.
Exactly, due to metallurgy of the. That's what it's unplanned.
Yeah.
Maybe
So
many
those can
reasons,
be
sir.
counted as a direct causes.
Exactly, sir. Exactly.
Unsafe act and unsafe condition is not involved. It is
Involved.
due to the process itself, like that.
Process itself, there is metal of construction is defect is there. Sudden what is called
Yeah.
due to what is called the surface of the inside reactor is not good. Abrasion is taken place. Some release of energy suddenly from the reactor. Like this, it was happened, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you,
Which
sir.
was not as well. Which was not identified before, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Coming to the why this figure shows important point is if you could not identify the 300 near misses, the red one is maybe more, or the yellow one will be maybe more. Because of near misses are controlled by the employees or controlled by the organization by capturing all the simple near misses. That's why the number is 300. That's why yellow region is less and red region is also less. Suppose it will be volta. That means near misses is not captured. Then 29 may be this will take from 300, out of 300, the 29 and 1 will be shared, sir. That means near miss capturing is very, very important to the organization. Otherwise, this number of near misses, if not taken by the organization, out of these 300, some numbers taken by the minor injuries, some number taken by the major injuries also. Therefore, 1 become more and 29 become much more and the 300 become much less. These are the one of the indication to tell the employees. This figure will shows the lot of what is called sensation to the employees and their mindset will always be changed. If the number is taken by yellow and red, our company will be definitely closed. That's why we have to important to this slide and display various places where the employee exposure is there. This will help you in reducing the major and minor injuries by capturing the near misses. And coming to the same, what we discussed in the various things in sequence, the timeline will be affected also. If you are not taking care by the unsafe acts, definitely the timeline will be affected. Not only the injury and accident is also happened, but timelines, what you are targeted, it will not achieved. Injury is happened, accident is happened, that will be taken care by the management. The process could not be started, could not be continued also because of timeline is affected due to the unsafe acts and unsafe conditions. And last but not least, again, what is called this same figure is given. And human factors theory is accident causation is also very, very important, sir. That means where the human involvement is there. Accident causation. For example, so many people, so many ways they're telling which way is better to us, which way suits to us, to our organization culture, that will be taken by us. Human factors theory of accident causation. First of all, overload. Environmental factors, internal factors, a situation overload of the your equipment, overload of the employees may be the reason of accident. And second one, inappropriate response, not correcting the hazard. Hazard identification you have done earlier, but you are not correcting what the modification has done. Removing safeguard for time being. These are all human factors, sir. We will what is called put the safeguard. After that, before that, nothing will happen. I will stand here like this. People attitude is there. The inappropriate response. by the human or employees. Ignoring safety simply. This is very easy procedure. I need not put any safety guard. I need not put any what is guard also. I need not follow any safety act. I need not follow any safe condition. Nothing to worry. Definitely the accident will leads. All human factors. Inappropriate responses by the employees. And third one is inappropriate activities. Perform the task without training. The employee could not train the new activity which was introduced by the organization. How you are performing this employee up to the satisfaction of the targets? No. And one of the due to the lack of the competency, misjudging of the risk also. Nothing will happen. So taking easy. That's why it is called inappropriate activities. Perform tasks without training. That's one of the inappropriate activity because HR is not taken properly and department head is also not taken care by the employees before starting the task. Then while doing the task, misjudging the risk due to the overconfidence. Or nothing will happen. I've seen so many days, so many years I'm having experience. Nothing will happen. Like this, that's misjudging of risk also maybe leads to the accident. This is one of the theory given by the technocrats of safety. Human factors involved, human involved is there. Next, Peterson's theory of accident causation. Same is taken, but somewhat what is called personal effects also is taken. Overload and other things all keep, but in between some of the things are added. In place of ergonomic traps, here he has removed this inappropriate responses. Then adding in that place ergonomic traps. That means while doing the employee, that eyes to be raised, their raise, the ergonomics will be taken place. Therefore, due to that, he get some strain in the shoulder due to what is called the taking by the one object to he could not taken, that your shoulder is affected. Due to that ergonomic traps, human error will be happened and decision by the error, decision to error. That means instead of taking the station, that person is taking second decision. What is the use? That is only human error. If the human errors directly go to the accident or injury or damage, sometimes due to these ergonomic traps, the human error may be system failure. Because of is not the human error, because of human cannot continue the process because of system failure is there. When system failure is definitely it will go to the accident. Then maybe the injury or damage. This is very, very important where the ergonomics to be taken place. Ergonomic means we have to see that proper workplace to be taken care by the employee. For example, an employee before one table is there, he has counted from paper sheets and all. His height is almost all 5 point, for example, 5 feet only, whereas the table height is more, and beneath the legs, the management has to put some table so that he will reach the surface of table, counting easy of the papers by that employee. Otherwise, his shoulder will be strained. The ergonomics will be taken care of. Or otherwise, while carrying the loads by the employees by hands without trolleys, while lifting the weights also, the employees' shoulders will be affected or the strains will be taken care of what is called in the body. That is also human error and leads to the accident and injury. Ergonomics are very important. Workplace safety is very, very important to taken care of. Modern accident causation. Various things are developed after the dominance and the prank boards and all. Modern accident causation. That means safety. That means once of all result is there. Why result? Some mishappening is there. What is the reason for mishappening? Operating error is there. Why operating error? Because of system defect is there. Why system defect? These three are reasons. Command error is due to Command error is given to the system is defect, allow the what is called system defect. Commanding errors is given by the employee. Somewhat input is not given to the computer. This is a human error. Safety program defect, system defect is there. Safety management error, system defect. These three will lead to the system defect. Then system defect will lead to the operating error and mishappening. Thereby results is simple, the incident or accident or failure of the process what is. Then if you put the targets, what is your targets? By doing this, we are putting results what? The targets. Results achieved or not? Targets is reduced incidents, near misses, mandates lost, and the sickness. These are the organizational targets. Suppose suppose you are not achieved, what is the reasons? Maybe this is the exposure conditions in workplace, state of equipment is not good, or then system aspects, hazard identification, training, maintenance, procurement, systems, etc. not adequate. The cultural aspects, values, beliefs, goals, and coach culture. This will lead to the system aspects. This will lead to the exposure of conditions. Then targets could not be achieved. While taking the cause, we have to come from the back. What is this cause? This cause, this. While studying means we have to go in this direction. This is the accident sequence model where so many technocrats as they can. We have to find out whenever we are not achieving the targets, maybe these three reasons. Maybe the system effects or cultural aspects. One of the important thing is by studying all the models and causation, what is called theories and all, says that first of all hierarchy of controls taken by the least effective and most effective. This is normally people are thinking that when we use the PP is the best control. No, it's the last and most least effective is PP. First of all, we have to see that risk anything is there while studying the what is called accident causation model or risk identification or hazard identification. What are maybe the things you are going to be done? First of all, we have to see that elimination of unsafe act or unsafe condition. First, we have to see physically remove the hazard. That is called elimination. First attempt this. If not eliminated is possible, then go to the substitution. In place of line, we have to put cat. That means your procedure, hazardous procedure, is having sensitized. We could not remove the concentration and all. That's why we have to reduce the amount of adding of concentration of chemicals. That is substitution. Replace the hazard. Either if you're not the elimination is
रिलायन्स कंपनी
possible.
मागा आहे ना रिलायन्स आरसीपी रिलायन्स कंपनीचं ऑफिस
Babu Garu, please. Lakshmi Das Garu, please mute this. If in some cases substitution is not possible, elimination is not possible and substitution is also not possible, then go for engineering controls. Is there any fencing to put? Is there any guard to put? Is there any what is called one of the construction, immediate construction, which do isolate the people from the hazard? Engineering controls means this is not possible, go for this. If this is not possible, go for this. Even sometimes we will isolate the people, no doubt, but we cannot isolate the hazard. Still it is continued in the process, like fire accident or some other, whatever may be the thing. Then go for the administrative control. Change the way of people we talk. Change the way of people work. Administrative control means change the OCP, change the SOP, change the practice of your what is called your original practices. That is called administrative controls. Even sometimes administrative controls will arrest all the control, nothing to worry, will be. Finally, this is the least effective, protect the worker with the personal protective equipment. Here up to this, there is no, maybe the damage or not damage. But whereas PP is not varied, definitely it will, fatal will happen. This is one of the principle. With this figure, I could inform you very importantly crocodile principle. Very important crocodile principle technocrats is given. First of all, to risk management, to strategy or accident causation models and all, identify the risk first, then evaluate the risk. If not, then eliminate the risk. Then substitute the risk. If not, eliminate the risk is eliminated. Then go for substitute. If not substitution taking place, isolate the risk. Use personal protective or run away. Very interesting. All these factors. What is runaway, sir? What is isolate, sir? These are things, no, I will show in the schematic representation. See, first of all, the principle of crocodile. Identify the risk. What are the risks are there? This employee or management could identify all the risks which are involved in the process. Once identify, then evaluate how much this identified risk having the evaluate. That means having the impact on the process, impact on the environment, impact on the employee. We have to evaluate the risk and note down all these things. Sequence manner, high evaluation, less evaluation, top to bottom. That means once identified, then evaluate, then eliminate the risk. First attempt is eliminate by applying some controls. In some cases, elimination is not possible. Go for substitution. Instead of batch process, instead of continuous process, go for batch process for timing. Or instead of your SOP is very like what is called crocodile nature, you make it easy to the employees. Like for example, this is crocodile and this is a cat. Very easy to handle by the employees. That is called substitute the risk. That means by adapting some controls, by adapting some SOP administrative controls, we have to reduce the risk by substituting the items. Then, if not possible by substitution, still risk is there, then go for isolate the risk. Simple. This is called engineering control. What we call as. Because once evaluation, elimination is not possible, then substitution is not possible, then go for isolate the risk. Sometimes during that what is called process, the engineering controls may not be possible to immediate to put. The implement administrative controls. That means SOP, safe handling crocodile, we have to see that way. How to handle this SOP in a easier way, we have to see that implement the administrative controls, if not possible by the engineering controls. Even these two are also not possible, sir. Suppose risk is in such a way, go for use personal protective equipment. Nothing will be taken care of. Like for example, SCBA, self-contained breathing apparatus. For example, cylinder leakage is there. Use personal effort. Nothing will happen. When all the above are not possible, you have to forcibly use this first effect. Last, one more effect should be used this EPP. Even if you PPE, sometimes the PPE also not work, sir. The risk is in such a way. The risk is in such a way, the PPE cannot be hold this risk. Even if it hit the what is called the employee, this risk is hit the employee, even though protective equipment is there. Finally, the principle or else run away. That means that the people are advising, or scientists are advising, or crocodile principle are advising that run away. You mean to say that all the participants please concentrate on this. You mean to say that the employee should run away from the factory, should run away from the process, should run away from the work site? No, sir. Because the employee run away means the employee or management could not able to manage the risk. He has to consult the consultant or expertise who has expertise in this risk. Then that is the reason of what, that is the indication of this runaway. Runaway means doesn't mean that run away from the organization, run away from the process, run away from the work site. No. We have to call the consultant, we have to approach the consultant, we have to approach the safety experts which can able to reduce the risk. We can call the substitutes, that we can call the consultants. Therefore, this is the one of the important, what I told, elimination, substitution, engineering. Again, I am giving this slide. Very, very important slide. So the crocodile principle, runaway means, that is not misunderstanding this. Runaway means that risk is could not be controlled by the organization. That's why we could able to concentrate on expertise who can handle this risk. Therefore, these sites are very, very important. Elimination means simply don't. This is the most effective. Elimination is most effective. When coming to the bottom, least effective. Even PPE is there. See, last item, for example, even PPE is there, risk cannot be controlled. That is the reason the PPE is the last resort of the safety control, last resort. But not fortunately, I am sorry to tell you, all organizations, people are thinking that PP is the best resource, best what is called control. No, this is the last chance of control. In such a way, we have to educate the employees while carrying the accident causation model. After accident, what is called investigation is over, or while doing the risk assessment, while doing the ARA, while doing the job, we have to concentrate this hierarchy of the controls. This model approaches to the very, very easy to the employees. You, all organized people has to follow these controls. Definitely, they could have reached to the ultimate safety goals what they have aimed for. Okay, sir. Is there any doubts, please?
This
Tell me, sir. Tell me, sir.
ergonomic slide,
Yeah,
do
yes,
we
sir.
have this RULA and REBA in our program? Assessment of RULA and REBA for ergonomics?
I will find out and let you know, sir. Even the program is not there in the syllabus. I will
Okay.
take the presentation on the ergonomics, sir. There is no doubt in that.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank
I will take that. Definitely, I will take it. Even it is not in the syllabus, I will give the what is called exposure to the ergonomics also, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
One more thing, can you share
Tell me,
this,
sir, any doubts, sir?
yeah, can you
Crocodile
share
principle
the-
once again.
no, can you
Kumar,
share
sir.
this material content?
Material content,
Actually,
top
the
management, I
training
will inform
material
the top
content,
management.
yeah, the content is not being shared with
Already,
us quite a time.
sir, you have given the book, sir.
No, we have not received anything.
Book, sir, textbook.
Nothing, zero.
SBTET study materials.
No material received, sir.
Sir, your BSS, sir, SBTET, sir.
We are from pipeline.
Sir, correct, sir. You are prescribed for the which course, sir? Which course?
Industrial safety course.
SBT. Pardon, sir. Safety course, correct. There are two courses we have given. One is advanced diploma in fire and safety, industrial safety. Second one is industrial safety, SBTET.
No, first one.
That means first one, that is advanced in diploma in fire and industrial.
Sir, for PIL, we have been informed about the second one, sir. Industrial safety course by SBTET.
SBTET is there. SBT.
Sir,
Tell me, sir.
Prabhakar.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, what is the ergonomic control, sir?
Ergonomics means the body organs will be disturbed by the doing of the process, sir. The what is strain in the arms, strain in the what is called knees, while doing your process, there is some height is required from your counting your members and all, for example. That height is not proper